Alright, hello traders, welcome to Bank FX. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use support and resistance to catch a clean gold trade. You don't need to complicate things. You can see my chart is very clean, and currently I'm going to show you how to just use support and resistance to catch a trade. So now, once you open your market early in the morning or anytime you open your market, just look for the recent highs and the lows, right? Now, once you've seen the recent highs and the lows, then you are going to mark them. Okay, so now here, if you check this market, we have a swing move from here, a pullback, and a swing move to here, right? So from here to here is one swing move. Okay, so once this one is one swing move, what I have to do is to just mark my highs and lows, my recent highs and the recent lows. So my most recent high is this, and my recent low is this one also. So this one is the recent low, and also we have another low here which I also mark. Right, now what I have to do is that I don't need to do anything. Now the only thing I have to do is to just wait for the market to give me a confirmation when it gets to a resistance level, a specific candlestick confirmation that I believe in. When it gets to those levels, then I wait for those confirmation before I go in for a sell. Perhaps if the market gets to a resistance level, also I have to wait for a key candlestick confirmation before I go in for a buy. And if maybe the market fail at this support level, we have another support here, so you then check this support level here and wait for the key candlestick confirmation on this support here before you go in for your buy, right? So now let's see what the market does. Then we'll use it in demonstrating in the real time. Okay, so now playing forward, you can see the market just playing in between the levels that we want. So the market kept moving all this time. We didn't do anything because we didn't get a confirmation yet. Okay, so the market move, boom, we have a confirmation at the resistance level. Now the market gets to the resistance level, we don't start selling specifically at the resistance level. What we do is that we have to wait patiently to wait for our candlestick confirmations, right? So let's move. This is not my candlestick confirmation. Perfect, this is my candlestick confirmation. Now what that I have to do is that I bring my risk to reward ratio, then my SL is just above the resistance, then my target is that I'm targeting the other low, which is this level here. It can be that I would target this low here or the next low, or perhaps this low here. But now the market also create another low here, right, which is the recent low. We'll still mark this low, right? We'll also mark this low here. Okay, good. So now let's see. This is our take profit 1. You can put this level as your take profit 1, then this level as your take profit 2, then take profit 3 will also come here. So now let's play and see how the market goes. Okay, so let's go straight up. The market start with profit. You can see straight profit, straight. You see, take profit 1, take profit 2 smashed. See here, we didn't get a confirmation because we have a strong candle closing below the support level, so there's no confirmation there. We move again, we didn't still have a confirmation, no confirmation, then boom, take profit 3 also smash, right? You can see the market here gets to the most support level, right? This is the support level that I am more key interested in. So let's see, the market smash on the support level, which also smash our take profit 3. Now what I have to do is that I have to wait patiently for a confirmation, that is candlestick confirmation. So you can see we have something like a tweezer here but let's wait another candle for a good confirmation. Let's see. Good, this is a candlestick confirmation for me, right, which we are having something like a morning star line. So with this one, I'll bring my tool, right, I'll bring my tool, my risk to reward tool. I'll bring my risk to reward to, that's for a buy. So I'm going in for a buy. I'm targeting this level, right? So now our recent high would then be here. So I'm targeting this level and my SL is just below the support level. Now let's see how this market play out, right? Okay, we came straight to profit. You can see then the market just giving us profit, no drawdown. Then the market just giving us profit straight to TP smash, straight to TP smash. You can see the market gave us a lot of pips, and if you measure this pip movement from here to this level here, that's about 1350 pips. All the way to this level is 1960 pips. That's a huge pip movement just by using our support and resistance to catch this simple trade. Alright, see you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.